律师，律师。
lawyer,
lawyer.
他在大学学习法律，他想成为一名优秀的律师。他在大学学习法律，他想成为一名优秀的律师。
he studied law in college, and he wanted to be a good lawyer.
He studied law in college, and he wanted to be a good lawyer.
毕业后，他在一家律师事务所工作。毕业后，他在一家律师事务所工作。
After graduation, he worked in a law firm.
After graduation, he worked in a law firm.
他聘请了一名律师为他打离婚官司。他聘请了一名律师为他打离婚官司。
She hired a lawyer to fight her divorce case.
She hired a lawyer to fight her divorce case.
专业，专业。
Major, specialty, professional,
Major. Specialty. Professional.
为了提高自己的能力，他不断积累专业知识和技术。为了提高自己的能力，他不断积累专业知识和技术。
In order to improve his abilities, he continues to accumulate professional knowledge and technology.
In order to improve his abilities, he continues to accumulate professional knowledge and technology.
既然你不喜欢法律专业，那就考虑一下其他专业吧。既然你不喜欢法律专业，那就考虑一下其他专业吧。
Since you don't like the legal profession, consider other majors.
Since you don't like the legal profession, consider other majors.
他是新闻专业，毕业后，他在电视台从事采编工作。他是新闻专业，毕业后，他在电视台从事采编工作。
She majored in journalism. After graduation, she worked in the television station as an editor.
She majored in journalism. After graduation, she worked in the television station as an editor.
另外，
In addition. Another. Other.
In addition. Another. Other.
我买了一本小说，另外，我还给弟弟买了一套漫画书。我买了一本小说，另外，我还给弟弟买了一套漫画书。
I bought a novel. In addition, I also bought a set of comic books for my brother.
I bought a novel. In addition, I also bought a set of comic books for my brother.
我们另外找时间再讨论这个问题吧。我们另外找时间再讨论这个问题吧。
Let's find another time to discuss this issue.
Let's find another time to discuss this issue.
这台电脑不能用了，另外再买一台吧。这台电脑不能用了，另外再买一台吧。
This computer doesn't work anymore. Let's buy another one.
This computer doesn't work anymore. Let's buy another one.
除了这件事，我还有另外一件事要告诉你。除了这件事，我还有另外一件事要告诉你。
Besides this, I have another thing to tell you.
Besides this, I have another thing to tell you.
他们负责收集材料，我和另外2个同事负责撰写。他们负责收集材料，我和另外2个同事负责撰写。
They were responsible for collecting materials, and 2 other colleagues and I were responsible for writing it.
They were responsible for collecting materials, and 2 other colleagues and I were responsible for writing it.
收入，收入。
Income.
Income.
在这里工作，工资还算可以，年底还有奖金，收入不错。在这里工作，工资还算可以，年底还有奖金，收入不错。
Working here, the salary is not bad, and there is a bonus at the end of the year, so the income is good.
Working here, the salary is not bad, and there is a bonus at the end of the year, so the income is good.
虽然在这家公司工作的收入很低，但我学到了很多专业知识。虽然在这家公司工作的收入很低，但我学到了很多专业知识。
Although the income from working in this company is very low, I have learned a lot of professional knowledge.
Although the income from working in this company is very low, I have learned a lot of professional knowledge.
为了增加收入，他下班后就到一家餐厅里打工。为了增加收入，他下班后就到一家餐厅里打工。
In order to increase her income, she worked in a restaurant after get off work.
In order to increase her income, she worked in a restaurant after get off work.
如果你的月收入不稳定，你的生活开支一定要精打细算。如果你的月收入不稳定，你的生活开支一定要精打细算。
If your monthly income is unstable, your living expenses must be calculated carefully.
If your monthly income is unstable, your living expenses must be calculated carefully.
咱们
We. Us.
We. Us.
咱们一起把任务完成吧。咱们一起把任务完成吧。
Let's complete the task together.
Let's complete the task together.
这个星期六咱们一起去爬山吧。这个星期六咱们一起去爬山吧。
Let's go hiking together this Saturday.
Let's go hiking together this Saturday.
咱们一起去那儿逛逛吧。咱们一起去那儿逛逛吧。
Let's go there and hang out together.
Let's go there and hang out together.
安排
Arrange.
Arrange.
我已经安排大家在会议室等候了。我已经安排大家在会议室等候了。
I have arranged for everyone to wait in the conference room.
I have arranged for everyone to wait in the conference room.
由于情况特殊，会议要重新安排。由于情况特殊，会议要重新安排。
Due to special circumstances, the meeting needs to be rescheduled.
Due to special circumstances, the meeting needs to be rescheduled.
今晚的宴会我已经安排好了。今晚的宴会我已经安排好了。
I have arranged the banquet tonight.
I have arranged the banquet tonight.
谢谢观看。